Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Nab Nab Surprise Fold from Garten of Ban Ban. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Nab Nab Surprise Fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up the corners and I'm going to give it a nice fold like I'm making a birthday card. Next, I'm going to fold it one more time. Line up the corners, giving it a nice fold, and this way I kind of have like a big bookmark. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines in here that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. Now to start off with Nab Nab, let's begin by drawing the head. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up, and then it's going to come down. Next, I'm going to bring this line down here, and I'm going to bring this line down here. Now, above the fold, we want to make his three eyes. So I'm going to draw a circle right here. I'm going to draw another circle right here, and then we'll put the third one right over here. Now for the pupils, I'm going to draw a circle inside each one of these. And then I'm going to make a smaller circle inside of here, and I'm going to color in the outside. So we'll just make that smaller circle, and we're just going to color in the outside of each one. Next, let's make his party hat. All you will have to do is just draw a line that comes up to a point, and then it's going to come back over here, and it's kind of at an angle. Next, we're just going to make some little curved lines right across here. And then right here, I'm just going to make a nice big smiley face. Now the next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once this is opened up, we're going to start up here, and I'm just going to bring this line down a little bit, and I'm going to bring this line down a little bit, and I'm going to bring this line up a little bit, and this line up a little bit. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to go up. It's going to come over and then back down. And then starting down here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to go over and up. And you can see I kept this away from those lines because we don't want those to overcross those. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. And then I'm going to bring this line down, but I'm not going to go all the way. Next, I'm going to add some teeth inside of here. So I'm going to start right here at the top, and I'm going to begin by making some sharp teeth. So I'm just going to make some really pointy teeth inside of Nab Nab's mouth. So I'm going to bring these all the way around here. So I'm going to bring these all around. And then I'm going to put some over here too. Now the reason I left this open is I want to add his tongue over here. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up, and it's going to come over like this. And then I'll make another one that's just going to come up. I'm going to go out. Then I'm going to bring this into here. Make a little curved line there. Next, we're just going to bring this line down and connect it to here. And I'm going to make another little line here, and then one over here, just show where there's some more teeth at. Next, I'm going to bring this line down a little bit farther on each side. And then I'm going to make his crazy arms. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out, and then it's going to come down. I'm going to bring this line up, and then I'm going to bring this line back towards the body. And then we'll just connect it to here. Same thing over here. I'm just going to come up and bring it down. Come back up. And then I'll bring it back into here, and we're going to bring it down. And there you go. There is your Nab Nab Surprise Fold from Garten of Ban Ban. When you have it all folded up, we have an innocent, happy-looking little Nab Nab, and then when we open it up, we can see that his mouth is open and he is ready to attack. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.